Hello everyone, John Lowell here with the Ginger Cook Live Gallery website. Another tech tip for you from the Tech Bear and myself. Bookmarks, what are they? Are they your friend? I am logged in as Sammy, and it has come up, people do not know how to create a bookmark. I did a video earlier, but that was on a cruise ship, so it was noisy, so I'm doing a new one. As you scroll down in your member's home, you can see if you have any lessons bookmarked. Sammy has two right now, the old train station and Rainbow Eyes Cat. Strange name. Anyways, let us go to a lesson. Sammy would like to do the teapot. So you find a lesson that you want to bookmark. Now we can't specifically bookmark a certain lesson in a certain time frame. All I can do is bookmark this. Old school will have to kick in if you want to do specifically. Right here, what I did, I'm just scrolling down underneath all the pertinent information. A little bit further, you see bookmark. There's 11 people have bookmarked this lesson. Sammy will now bookmark it. He's going to click it one time. Click. On your iPad, do the same thing. Just click. It will change color and it'll go to bookmarked 12. So Sammy now can go back to his bookmarks. I'm just moving my finger or my cursor up over the home page, and again, iPad, if you just click on that, you should be able to see members bookmarks. Click on that. He will now have 3 bookmarks. Pretty cool, huh? Here, you can clear all your bookmarks. Notice in red, no warnings, use with caution. You click that, all your bookmarks are gone. Sammy, in all his wisdom, has finished the old train. If he wants to unbookmark this, you have to go back to the lesson. Simple enough, it's in your bookmarks. I love that painting. Scroll down. Said it's not bookmarked. I just did on and off again. Let's just go see if that disappeared. It did not. Let's click it on and see what we get. Because you're supposed to just click it from bookmark. Ooh. We've changed a lot of our titles. And when we redid the website, so this is linking to the old one. This is the new one, which wasn't bookmarked. Aha! So you can't get rid of the old one. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this. He doesn't have that much. He won't care. I'm going to hit this clear bookmarks. Bam. There you go. No warning, no nothing. They're gone. Now, he wants to go back to the member's home. Let's get the one he just had. Let's do the teapot. Again, scroll down, bookmarked. Let's go up to the lessons, and let's go to complete lesson library. Let's grab another one here real quick. What else would Sammy like? Oh, the car. The Alley in Paris, another classic. He wants to save that, so let's bookmark that one. So now he has 2 bookmarked. There they are. Now, if I go back to the teapot, he changed his mind and goes, nope, I don't want to do that anymore. I'm going to click on this. It should take a little bit of time. And it's going to go back to green and say bookmark, and now he just has the one. All right, simple enough. If you have any questions, put them down below underneath this video, and we'll take care of you. Sammy, get the controls, buddy.